Okay.
Babula, how are you? You can't repeat it. But nobody was found there anyway.
The agreement yesterday, when the governor came, was that in the hostel on my
These two.
which you can't come with no. For fire brigade now, one of my oil country be by.
Why are not happy?
Document we left
People that are here, let
Around
us
to
just
approve me by you, which father what be by you 230.
and let
Around
us
that's what check.
yeah.
Abi.
We need to be ascertained at this place. We need to be ascertained at this place.
That's no this I want to
But we actually
look man. Is there anybody at the gate?
hello and this.
Aile.
Ajá tó pariwo ó dẹ̀ lè rí nǹkan ó lè rí nǹkan bí àwọn èèyàn wà àwọn èèyàn lè wà lọ́dà kiri. Hostel yìí ló tẹ̀ dùn méjì.
Kò wàhálà kò tí kíkà yàn tí wọ́n.
My name is Omoboriowo Otiki. I live in the neighborhood. I was observing my prayer around 7:45 p.m. when suddenly I heard a very loud bang. I've never experienced that kind of sound in my life. It was so terrifying that the old buildings around was shaking, and a lot of buildings, before we realized, got damaged. So after the sound, there was very thick dust that enveloped the whole area. It was so thick that you could not even see the person in front of you. So we all had to mask up in order not to, get injured. After a while, like about 1 hour, so the whole thing subsided, and we were able to move to the scene of the occurrence. On getting there, we found that a lot of buildings around that area has been damaged beyond recognition.
Which area? Is it this one that we are standing, or there's another area here?
This where we're standing.
What's the name of this place?
This place is Dejo Oyelese, but the scene actually happened because it transferred to this place. Happened on Reverend Aderiniola Street.
Aderiniola Street?
Yes.
Is it the same as Adeyi Avenue?
It's off Dejo Oyelese. Adeyi Avenue, you get to Adeyi Avenue before you come into Dejo Oyelese.
Okay, you get into Adeyi Avenue.
Yes.
Just before you get here.
Yes, before you come in here.
So it is that loud bang that I heard that affected this whole street here now?
Yes, please.
So now, what do you think that sound would have been?
On getting to the site, and where it occurred, we saw some experts, bomb experts, security agencies, and then when they looked at the big ditch, very wide and deep, and they concluded that if it were to be a bomb, it would have spread and not dig into the heart. Yes. So they said probably there's a minor equipment, or what they use, the miners use or something like that, like a dynamite. So that was what might have exploded. And yes.
So do you have miners in this area?
I don't know. No, the experts were, they had to, when they get to the scene. So but I think they will continue their investigation today.
Thank you.
We've seen this devastation here, and from what we've gathered so far, the likelihood is that you have illegal miners toying with explosives around this place. We've always said to people that when you see something, say something, and then the authorities should be able to do something. This is quite unfortunate. At this stage, is just to rescue anyone that is still under the rubble here, and also the people that have been taken to the hospital to give them care, and also some of the people who have their houses destroyed, provide temporary accommodation for them at hotels within the city. And then in the morning, we definitely will continue the investigation. The affected families, I'll say the government is here. We will support them in the recovery effort. But most importantly, we'll react appropriately to this incident. It's just it's devastating. It's something that it's difficult to wrap one's head around this.